Yes, it's getting rolling tonight. As we speak, the rain is fairly light coming in, but it's going to get increasingly heavier as we get through the hours tonight, especially after 7 p.m. The strongest and heaviest rain and wind really comes after the 10 p.m. hour tonight. Tonight, our wind gusts are building up to 45 miles an hour as the rain gets increasingly heavier. Temperatures overnight expected to be right around the low 40s. As we go through our Salties and Alki picture, tower cam, you can see clouds in place, the rain's coming down, and the wind just now beginning to build. Wind advisory is impacting a large portion of all of our lowlands here for central Puget Sound and to the south and to the north. This is where our wind gusts are going to be blowing up to 50 miles an hour overnight tonight. That will bring some downed trees, and it may take power lines with it. So be ready for power outages and some downed trees blocking roadways. Looking at that wind advisory, that's what's going to go into effect at 7 p.m. and continue through 10 a.m. And then the warning, high wind warning for wind gusts up to 60 to 65 miles an hour on the coast. And up to the north interior, we're going to have wind gusts up to about 55 miles per hour. We're going to see that really get going tonight. By the time we hit 1 a.m., we'll be up to 50 mile per hour gusts around Everett, 40 to 45 mile per hour gusts for central Puget Sound, and 50 on the coast. Then we take it to 6 a.m. So this little window from 1 to 6 a.m. looks like the strongest wind gusts as the wind surges from the south, hits SeaTac at 51 miles per hour. This is a model forecasting this wind. So we're expecting that stronger wind to keep going all the way through the morning before it eases in the afternoon, taking things down by 10 o'clock to just 20 mile per hour gusts. So what to expect? 10 p.m. to 6 a.m., the strongest wind is going to happen overnight. The heaviest rain, and we're talking about anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain in the lowlands, will be coming down, and the wind and heavy snow will be really rolling in the mountains, and it's going to be treacherous travel. Probably just stay at home and not travel through the mountains tonight. That'd be the best bet, because it is going to be very difficult to get through with the wind and the snow in the mountains. But the rain just getting going. You can see here along I-90 for Snoqualmie Pass, we have a slight risk of some freezing rain overnight at Snoqualmie Pass on top of the wind and on top of the snow coming down. So it's not a good travel time for I-90 overnight, especially 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. The frontal system will be coming in and warming us up first a little bit, and then we'll have the cold air filtering in behind it, and that comes in shortly behind tomorrow in the late morning hours. And boy, are the winds going to howl. Okay, here's Snoqualmie Pass now, looking like it's in pretty good shape, but be ready for travel troubles as the snow level is going to be up to 3,500 feet tomorrow, but then it crashes tomorrow night back down to 2,000 feet. The snow, as it comes down heavy at times, will limit your visibility. The wind on top of that will really cause some snow blindness in some places, as that wind is going to be blowing the snow around very strongly. So heavy snow and wind expected for the mountains tomorrow, pass highs in the mid-30s. Your forecast for the lowlands will be for the easing wind gusts tomorrow, highs only in the mid-40s. Rain amounts 1 to 1.5 inches of rain inland. Yeah, it's going to be a stormy stretch. Sunday, we still have showers around, and there could be some snow showers in places around Whatcom County and Hood Canal. Otherwise, we'll get cooler and start to dry out a little bit, but we get a better chance here and there of seeing some snowflakes.